Hello everybody, how are you doing? Well, I would love to show you, but I don't have the proper zoom, but right up here are two bald eagles. Yes, bald eagles, and there's a huge nest. It's hard for you to see them. I don't know if they're going to fly, but it is amazing. Yes, I am here off-grid up in the mountains enjoying this amazing weather, this amazing sun, summer breeze, and so forth. So in America, we are celebrating the holiday of independence of July 4th weekend holiday, which some people took off early on Friday, left early on Friday. So while I was out and about, everybody was coming to the mountain and the lakes to get away, break away. And this Monday, July 4th, is Independence Day for the Americas. So, how are you doing? How is everything going? I am so excited. As I had mentioned in the previous video, I have surpassed 600 videos and I am doing well. So many of my colleagues, my cohorts, as well as the audience has reached out to me and provided your support, and I thank you so much for supporting me. That's what it's truly about. It's about empowering and enlightening others and making sure that we keep each other accountable and responsible for the achievements that we have. So many times we go through life and we just keep on grinding. But this symbolism of these two eagles, I don't know if I can see them in, but they're sitting on the perch right there, is just a symbolism of freedom. When you really peel back the layers and assess your life, are you achieving personal freedom? Have you achieved personal freedom through the healing power of forgiveness? Have you achieved personal freedom through taking risks? Have you achieved personal freedom by facing your fears and busting through the barriers and challenging yourself to keep on going, to further and exceed your fullest potential? Have you stepped outside of your comfort zone? The symbolism of America is the bald eagle, which again is a young couple right up here in the nest. I'm going to see if I can take a picture or a glimpse of their tail feathers, as again I don't have a professional telephoto lens to zoom in that close, but it is beautiful. They've been soaring around here. They came up here about a year ago. And they've returned, and it is just amazing to see our mascot, the bald eagle, representing freedom, that we don't have to be tamed or shackled to our fears, our limiting beliefs, our false beliefs, or what other people feel about us. We have the choice, we have the freedom to achieve personal freedom through the healing and power of forgiveness, to break away the shackles of judgment, of fear, of limits, because it is your life that you are living. And believe you me, from someone who fails every single day, I don't give up. I persevere with passion and purity, and I make sure that I am always progressing. That's my passion, that's my mission, that's my calling. Reaching out to you to make sure you're exceeding your fullest potential, that you're achieving personal freedom. What is your definition of personal freedom? Comment down below. What is a task, an obstacle, a challenge, a fear that will allow you to break free from the limiting beliefs and the shackles of life? Whether they are the physical shackles, the mindset shackles, or our pre-programmed beliefs of the non-believers, the naysayers, the people who say or act that misery loves company. You are in control of your own life, and only you have the choice to achieve personal freedom. And if you need guidance, I am here with you, always, seeing how you're doing. No judgment, no filter, just to listen, to learn about you, and to help and walk beside you every step of the way, reminding you have a choice to press play. This holiday season, coming from the Americas as we approach July 4th, America's birthday of independence, how are you going to increase your independence and achieve personal freedom? My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, certified motivational speaker under the mentorship of Dr. Les Brown, and yours, American accountability coach. Let's connect and let you achieve personal freedom through the healing power of forgiveness. Be safe, be well, and I'll see you in the next video.